likes to get dressed up and, just to have a good time and feel relaxed. And I felt like, with Bourbon and Bow Ties, we can bring a lot of people together in the community from different parts of the community to help out the community as one. So, because without unity, there is no community, right?